Yeah, I think, Carsten, with all these types of lime available, how does the end user decide which product is correct for their application or process? Maybe let Eugene go first with this, and then I think, Carsten, I would like you to chip in as well in terms of the, yeah, Eugene, you can go with this. Let's go kick off with you on this discussion.
Prince, yeah, thank you very much. I think that is, for me, one of the most important questions that we deal with on a daily and regular basis with specifically new customers, but believe it or not, even existing customers. And I'm going to try and summarize it without providing a thesis, because I certainly don't have the answers to all the questions, and Carsten has also been able to assist us in the past. But I think it really starts with the industry in which the customer operates. Water industry, small plant, hydrated lime in either bulk tanker, bulk bag, or 25-kilo pocket. So if it's less than 100 tons, normally makes economic sense to use hydrated lime. Soon as the volumes are up at the 1,000 tons, like these big water treatment plants, the Eastern Basin, Central Basin, Western Basins, you'll find they change immediately to unslaked lime, and they do the mixing or hydration in terms of a milk of lime on site. So already the water treatment on site and the industry they operate start steering towards the direction. Of course, if we then look at the steel industry, lump lime, because it gets poured into a furnace, and of course you don't want any dust because it will just get blown out of the stacks, and they will lose money because the dust is fundamentally still an unslaked lime. So there again, we start focusing on lump lime delivered to the customer with a high reactivity or a high RDIN. And then if you look at the gold industry, they really just want a very fine product that they can put through their slakers, high volumes, quick reaction with their process, and they can then move on and extract the gold. So fundamentally, it's really about interacting with your customer. And I always say, you know, I think sometimes we must just learn to listen. My wife says the same thing. One day I will manage the art about listening. But I think seriously, let's go and listen to the customer first, then take the information, bring it to Techmatic, bring it to the lime producer, and then put together a solution, because it's about industry, it's about application, it's about existing equipment on site that may be archaic and needs replacement, new technology where Techmatic can play a role, and then we come forward with a final solution. Carsten, maybe you want to add?